Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live stream on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave 3, and that we're potentially in a wave 4 right now, which will likely look like this before it goes up again to make a wave 5, which I think will be the completion of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern that we have on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we're in a wave B, and we technically definitely don't have any signs of this wave B being over yet. We did have a break of starts on certain time frames, so I'm still kind of hoping that this will end up starting its downtrend for the wave C of wave 4. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely did have a Fibonacci bounce, a Fibonacci extension bounce, and we are, respecting this drop-based drop zone over here. And we did have a break of structure on a little bit of a shorter time frame. So yeah, hopefully this is the end of a wave B. Hopefully this move up right here is just a crescent to the move down, and it ends up starting this downtrend that we've been waiting for. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely made an impulsive move down. It definitely made a break of structure. So it could possibly end up just being an A, B, C correct and going down, taking out the low, and then continuing the uptrend, definitely. But I'm still kind of hoping that it's more likely a wave 1, a wave 2, and potentially it's going to start a wave 3, which will most likely start that big downtrend that I've been talking about on the daily, weekly time frame. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move right here. I'm already short on this thing, and I'm hoping that this really is an A, a B, and a C. And we definitely got a 78% Fib bounce. So like I said, it could be a wave A, it could be a wave B, and it could be a wave C. If it is a wave C, you would expect it to go down, take out that low, and then reverse back to the upside. If it really is a wave 3, then more likely they'll just keep on trending down, making that big downtrend that I mentioned on the daily, the weekly time frame. So we don't really know whether it's a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC, but we're going to have to just watch and learn. Hopefully while we're earning, we can learn whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.